Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and today I'm going to do taco avocado boats, stuffed avocados with taco meat. So yeah, taco avocado boats, and this is what I'm talking about right here. All right, we've got some fuerte avocados from my mom's tree. We got some taco meat. We grilled the avocados a little bit, stuffed them with the taco meat, put some cheese on some. And hey, let me show you how this all comes together. I'll be right back. All right, so for these, I don't even know what to call them. Taco avocado stuffed avocado. All right, I don't know what to call these. I'm going to go with avocado taco boats, smoked avocado taco boats, and smoked because you can do your hamburger in the oven if you want. I'm going to get my hamburger out in the pellet grill, in the Z-Grill's pellet grill. I'm going to put about a quarter cup of onion because, I don't want to overdo it with too much onion. So about a quarter cup of diced onion. And then I'm going to use this Spanglish Asadero taco seasoning again. It's pretty good stuff. Sam's Club carries it. And I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add 2 tablespoons to I got about a little over 1.5 pounds of burger here. Okay. So I'll mix this a little bit and we're going to get this out on the pellet grill. All right, we're using the Z-Grill's 700D3 today, and I'm heating it up to 275. It's not 275 yet, but while it's heating, I'm going to go ahead and get this in here. Probably take about 45 minutes, maybe more. Probably about 45, get that hamburger cooked up. All right, I'll be back. It has been 45 minutes, and I believe our ground beef is ready. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to turn the pellet grill up to 350 degrees, and we'll get those avocados on here. All right, so I have 4 avocados here. I unfortunately don't have any lemon. I use it up, but I do have lime. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in here just to help with the browning a little bit. And then I'll just rub it on. Okay, and now I'm just going to spray them with some olive oil. These are actually avocados from my mom's tree again. So we're going to get these out on the pellet grill. All right, I turned this Z-Grills up to 350, and now what I'm going to do is put these avocados flesh side down. And if we can get some grill marks, that would be great. And I'm going to let these go for about 5 minutes before we actually stuff them with the taco meat. Right? Yeah, we might get something out of that. All right, I'll be back in a sec. All right, just like that, 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to get these off onto my baking rack here. Let's see how we did. They didn't really get a char, but that's okay. All right, let's go get these stuffed. So here's my ground beef, smoked ground beef, and I drained the excess oil out of here, the excess fat. So all we're going to do now is fill up these cavities, kind of press it in there. I'm going to try to stack it a little bit higher, just so we have some extra meat on these. Boy, they're warm. I've got these all stuffed. I do have leftover taco meat there, but that's going to be used on my tortilla channel, so it will not go to waste. I always make extra meat whenever I'm cooking meat so that I can hit both channels with it. And we'll turn it into something else. So you'll just have to come over to Tortilla Takeover and find out what I'm doing with it. So now I'm using some Chihuahua cheese. This is already cooked. So what we're going to do is put these back on the pellet grill and basically just get this cheese melted. Okay, so we're still rolling at 350 degrees. Like I said, this is all cooked. We're just going to melt the cheese, so 5 to 10 minutes probably. And boy, I almost forgot I needed to make a few of these dairy free, so I had to restuff them. So there you go. I'll see you in about, well, I'll see you in a second. All right, it's been about 7 minutes. Look at that. Cheese is nice and melted. All right, take them inside. I guess I'll come back out and we'll do a taste test. Alright, so how easy is that, right? Avocado taco boats, stuffed avocados with taco meat. And, you know, they still have the skins on them, so you just take your spoon and I'm going to try to get a nice bite here. Okay, I got the taco meat, the avocado. I gotta tell you, you do want to use ripe avocados. You do want to cook them up a little bit. I tried to get a little char mark. I probably could have turned the Z-grills up to about 400. But hey, what can I say? Look at that. That looked delicious or what? Stuffed avocado boat. Taco avocado, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, it's delicious. I know. Brian and a couple of you guys out there, I know you don't like avocado, but I'm telling you, this is really good. Alright. Alright, well. Thanks for checking this out. Make you some taco avocado boats on any pellet grill. I'm using the Z grills, don't forget. I will still leave that link, that video card at the end for the rewards crowdfunding. It's such a great deal. If you can afford it, you want to get grills for the next 50 years, go for it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.